Do not let your hearts be troubled. On this fifth Sunday of Easter season, and also on this Mother's Day weekend, the gospel passage that we listen to from the Gospel of John chapter 14 begins with the very powerful statement, Jesus telling us, do not let your hearts be troubled. As our country and the whole world is going through such a COVID-19 pandemic, the words of Jesus really gives us comfort to go through these difficult moments. And we read from the gospel today, Thomas asking Jesus, we do not know where we are going. How do we know the way? And Jesus informs them and instructs them, I am the way, I am the truth, and I am the life. This gives us great inspiration to find out our way, to embrace the truth, and live always in difficult moments of our life. And at the end, Philip confirms, show us the Father, that's enough for us. So let us think about how am I going to see the Father, knowing that Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. And today we also celebrate the Mother's Day weekend. And Mother Mary, during this month of May, intercedes for us, especially this pandemic time of our life. And for instance, Mother Mary always stood with us and for us. For instance, in Tepeyac, Mexico, she appeared to Juan Diego. By the life and faith of Juan Diego, millions of people received faith. And in Lourdes, France, Mother Mary appeared to little Bernadette. The young faith of little Bernadette inspired millions and still bringing many people to Jesus. And the appearance of Mother Mary in Fatima to Jacinta, Lucia, and Francisco really inspired them, and their life and faith inspired millions of people all over the world. So Mother Mary stands out as a perfect example for us to approach whenever we need. And she always walked with Jesus throughout the life of Jesus. For instance, she held baby Jesus in her hands when Jesus was born in Bethlehem. And we see Jesus when he was missing in the temple. Mother Mary courageously asked him, why didn't you let us know? Today, many modern mothers don't have that courage to correct their children when they do something wrong. Mother Mary reminded Jesus during the wedding at Cana to perform his first miracle by changing water to wine. And at the end we see Jesus' journey to Calvary. Mother Mary followed him throughout his sufferings and pain. And at the end, after the crucifixion, she held the body of her only son in her lap without losing hope, without losing love, without being disappointed. So Mother Mary stands out for us to always stand straight, deepen our faith, even when we go through troublesome and suffering situations. And today, I am so privileged to celebrate this Holy Mass with my mother, first time in my life on Mother's Day. And I always think about my mother, who also has the name Mary, how she inspired me. I am the 10th child of my mother, and I have a younger sister as well. Sometimes when I discuss and prepare the young men and women for the wedding, I ask them, how many children do you want to have? Some of them say 1, 2, or 3. And they said they cannot afford more than that. I used to challenge them. My mother has 11 children, and I look healthy, don't I? She sent me all the way to University College to finish my degree before I joined the seminary. When my father died when I was 4 years old, my mother went through a lot of troubles, but she was never disappointed. She followed the example of Mother Mary throughout her life, and she was always there to encourage me, to support me, and she continues to pray for me daily. And she also reminds me whenever I go home, when are you going to celebrate Mass tomorrow? So every mother has a responsibility to love their children, to question them when they do mistakes, and to encourage them when they do something good. So today, to conclude, I would like to sing a couple of lines from a song to Mother Mary in my own native language, Malayalam. Here I go. അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ ഈശോയുടെ അമ്മേ, അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ അമ്മേ എനിക്കീശോ തന്നൊരമ്മേ, ആവേ മരിയ കന്യാമാതാവേ, ആവേ മരിയ കന്യാമാതാവേ, അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ ഈശോയുടെ അമ്മേ, അമ്മേ എൻ്റെ അമ്മേ എനിക്കീശോ തന്നൊരമ്മേ. To my mother and all the mothers, I wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. God bless you.